what are the top three trends you are seeing in developer relations today?
Um, Layoffs, companies that make very short-sighted decisions uh, around the DevRel org, or or maybe it's the community org, depends on how the company's set up. Very short-sighted uh, about, hey, this is how we're going to be able to continue to deliver a good product to developers, and how to get them to use it, and then they go and get rid of the DevRel team. I think that's one trend. It's a negative trend, and we consistently see it, and then those companies go, oh, and they go back and hire again. I think another trend that we're seeing is, AI is definitely there. I think yeah. Let's just say it's a trend. I think there's a lot more to dive into that, but we're starting to see that more in DevRel. And I think another trend that we're seeing in DevRel is DevRel starting to kind of be considered within organizations as potentially developer experience, as opposed to just DevRel. Like DevRel actually has more impact. Dev experience itself can be something that's overarching across a company, that allows for DevRel and Dev community and things to grow and to actually build a whole lot more impact than they ever have before. So I think those are some trends I'm starting to see.